hunting.
Yeah. Maybe kayaking.
Maybe kayaking, depending on weather conditions. It is beautiful right now. It is so warm. So excited to get in the water today. Can't wait.
We have to get going nice and early. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning, and it's better because the wind's lower, so it should be some really good snorkeling.
We call it nice and early, but looking out here, we are well behind everybody else.
Everybody else is already out here. Boarding, surfing. Check out the narrow boats. Probably not called that, but
they're pretty narrow.
So we've just been on the kayaks. Pretty fun. Pretty fun. Well, it's quite wavy today, so it was quite difficult to stay stable. So I almost came out a few times, but managed to stay in.
But it would work better if we had 3. We only had 2.
Yeah.
3 people. So one person was
Three. That's right.
one person was swimming the whole time.
Yeah. He's one swimmer, but
Mostly me.
yeah.
A little bit. Bev swam a little bit. Ellie was the jerk.
It's true. It was fun. Now we're just relaxing on the beach, watching the waves. Nancy, how many steps are you at today? She's got a Fitbit on.
I'm
at 23,042.
8,500.
Oh.
I gotta get to my 10,000 mark, so off we go.
Okay, let's go. So nice out right now.
Oh, I know. It's just perfect temperature.
It's the exercise.
There you go.
Hi.
Yeah.
Oh, hi.
What's his name? Tucker.
Hi,
Tucker. Oh, what a good boy.
Wait. Okay, Nancy, you're going. Oh.